So for today's project, we're going to make a dolphin jump tutorial. So I'll be using my DIY paper clay. Then going to shape the body of the dolphin. So we need the other end to be kind of slight thin or smaller. So since I'm using a paper clay, obviously it is not too polished or smooth. It's going to be a bit on a textured side. Like you can kind of press it to cover the tiny holes or the cracks. Okay. It using your finger like so. At the bottom. Then kind of press it. So I suggest you put piece by piece. Press it. Like so. Get another to separate them again using my so there again. Then just like so. And also we need a piece of wire, and I'm going to shape it like so, like this. And then I'm going to dip it in a glue. Like so. Now we're going to do the eyes. So just get a tiny piece of white glue there. Then just so we're going to use a permanent marker for the eyes. brush and a all-purpose glue. And we're going to add a glue all over except the bottom part, because we need it to be fully dry before we can add glue at the bottom. Don't forget the sides. And then this one is optional. You can add embellishment to your dolphin. So here is a metallic decor. So I'm just going to put this metallic flower to my dolphin. Like so. There. And then just let it dry. So today is day 2. So as you can see, the top part is now dry. So we will going to add a coat of glue in the bottom. And we're going to brush some glue there. So just apply a generous amount and then let it dry again. So today is day 3. As you can see, the bottom now is dry. So I noticed that there is something wrong with my dolphin. So I've searched for a dolphin tutorial, and I seen this one. So I noticed that I missed this spot here tutorial. So I just get another tiny piece of clay, and then I just made 2 small circles or dots like so, and then kind of pinch the top, and then just add a glue on the side where you want to put it. So I just put a glue there and then attach my tiny dots like so. After you put the dots, just add glue to it, then do the same on the other side and let it dry again. So here's the finished look. The things that you can do with this charm is it can serve as a keychain like this one. So you can use this circular ring here, or you can use this kind of ring like this one. So if you also want to learn how to make this charm, This is also made from paper clay. I'll give you the link. You can also use it as a bag or wallet charm. Or a cute pendant for kids. Or you can add magnet on the side, and that will serve as a fridge magnet or fridge decor. So that's it. Hope you guys like it. Please visit and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.